In 1990, two fake cops pulled off the greatest art heist in history, and they're still out there. At 1:24 a.m., two men in police uniforms knocked on the door of Boston's Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum. They told the night guards they were investigating a disturbance. The guards let them in. Big mistake. The fake cops immediately handcuffed both guards and disabled every security camera in the building. For the next 81 minutes, they methodically selected 13 priceless artworks. They knew exactly what they wanted. They cut Vermeer's The Concert right out of its frame, rolled up Rembrandt's The Storm on the Sea of Galilee like a poster. These weren't random thieves. They ignored more valuable pieces that would be harder to sell. The stolen art is worth $500 million today. The FBI has followed thousands of leads, offered $10 million in rewards, connected the crime to organized crime families. But 34 years later, the paintings are still missing. The empty frames still hang in the museum waiting for their return.